Good morning. In this video, we will be seeing about the consecutive integer checking algorithm. This algorithm works by checking all the integer from 1 to the minimum of 2 numbers to find the largest integer divisible by both numbers. Okay. Here the algorithm is framed as, first we have to assign the value of minimum of m comma n to t. Let's say here we are taking two number, which is 60 and 24. Okay, the first step is we have to assign the value of t. If we take t is equal to minimum of m comma n. Here when we substitute this value, the minimum value is 24, then the t will be having the value of 24. Okay, divide m by t. First, next step is we have to divide this m by t. Divide m by t is nothing but 60 mod 24. Okay, if the remainder of this division is 0, if remainder is equal to 0, directly we can go to step 3. Otherwise, if not equal to 0, go to step 4. Okay, that is this concept. In step 3, what we are going to do is divide n mod t. Okay, divide n mod t. If the remainder of this division is 0, return the value t as answer. If it is 0, remainder is equal to 0, then this t will be the answer for, and otherwise proceed to step 4. If we didn't get 0, what we have to do is we have to decrease the value of t by 1. If we have taken 24, the answer of this is not equal to 0, then what we have to do is we have to decrement the value. What will be that? 23. 60 mod 23. 60 mod 22. Like this, we have to decrement the value of t until we get the answer of n or t. You can say modulus of t is equal to 0. Until we reach this concept, we have to decrement the value of t. Here see, we have taken an example of GCD of 60 comma 24 as informed earlier. Now what we are doing is we have taken m value as 60 and n value as 24. While comparing this to, the minimum of m comma n is 24. So we have taken t is equal to 24. First we have to check this value. If 60 is divisible by 24, no, it is not divisible, and it will get the remainder. So we are going to decrement the value. This 24 is decremented to 20. Again we have to check this 23 is divisible by 60 is divisible by 23. Again it is not equal to 0, so the value is decremented. Check 60 is divisible by 22, which is not equal to 0, so we have decremented a value. Like this we have to do until we get the value as 0. Same thing we have to check for m and n, and where we are getting by by decrementing the t value, we have to get the value of m and n is equal to 0. When m mod, we have to satisfy the condition m mod t is equal to 0 and n mod t is equal to 0. The first position where we are getting this two conditions satisfied, and then that will be the GCD of two numbers. Here the GCD is 12. This is the concept. Okay, same case, the time complexity analysis. The worst case scenario, the algorithm checks every integer from 1 to minimum of from 1 to minimum of m comma n. Okay, for each integer we perform two modulus operation for n, and also for each integer we will be performing the modulus operation for m and n. So the time complexity is not satisfied here. Therefore the time complexity, we are calculating the time complexity as O of order of min of m comma n. Okay, this is insufficient for large numbers. Compared to Euclid's algorithm with a time complexity of order of log of min of a comma b, this approach is much slower for larger inputs. Okay, and when coming to space complexity, the space complexity of the consecutive integer checking algorithm is order of 1, because we are going to use only a fixed amount of space to store variables like m comma n and the current divisor, which is we have taken as temporary variable t. The algorithm does not require additional data structures, making it space efficient. Thank you. Hope you understood this video.